Deadlocks here again, and today we've got an interesting challenge from Coxie's Picks, who said need to escape from a regulation set of handcuffs with a tool that is not a professional tool as fast as we can. The unofficial world record was 6.88 seconds. That was beaten today by Silent But Descriptive, who did it in 6.22 seconds with the Parker pick. We're going to see if Beef can do any better.
I have a recording thing.
Gone for a regulation set of ASP Model 100s.
Cancel. Stop watch.
Mrs. D is going to time me.
Whilst trying to stay on camera.
You know, the time starts when I reach for this.
That's not when I say 3, 2, 1, go.
I'll go count Mrs. D in, basically. Okay?
3, 2.
I'm counting you in.
That's harder.
Yeah, but which one I'm supposed
Ah,
to
right,
do?
okay.
3, 2, 1, go. 3.
4.4. Exactly.
So, I'm going to go with that time.
Who are you going to challenge next? It's like the ice
Coxie,
bucket challenge.
Beat it. Anyone, beat it. That's all from us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye. I meant the handcuffs.
You had full confidence in the handcuffs?
Yes.
The handcuffs failed.
No, I mean I had full confidence in the beef.
Oh.
What? I'm confused. I knew you could open them. That's what I meant. I don't like this beef thing. It confuses my brain.
Okay.